Hello Starlets, I'm Sarah from Everyday Starlet. Welcome to my channel. We're bringing a little bit of glamour to everyday life. If you want to join my Starlet squad, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I want to talk to you about Valentine's Day. If you think about it, it's a day all about love. What better way to spend a day all about love than doing something for the one person that you should love more than anyone else? Yourself. I want to have a movement that Valentine's Day should be a self-care, self-love day. And this is true if you're in a relationship or not. If you want to have a great date night Valentine's Day with your significant other, or if you want to do like a Galentine's Day where you get together with your girlfriends, great. Totally do that. But you know what? Don't forget about yourself. We all can use a little bit of self-care in our life, and honestly, I think that is a huge part of bringing glamour to everyday life, is to make sure that you are taking care of you and your needs and making yourself feel special. Because when you're taking care of yourself, you're better able to take care of everyone around you. So I wanted to throw out some ideas on how to treat yourself on Valentine's Day. These ideas are for people who are single or in relationships or other. If it's complicated, these will work for you too. These are actually especially good, I feel like, if your status is it's complicated. Those are the people that probably need this the most. So if you want to hear my ideas for how to treat yourself on Valentine's Day, then just keep watching. Why not treat yourself to something sweet? I actually have a whole video I just filmed, so it should be up on my channel, all about organic, allergen-friendly candy. Some have really cool packaging, some are just super fun. So you know what? Check out that video and treat yourself to some candy. Who says you have to wait for somebody else to come home with a box of candy for you? Bring one home for yourself, people. Who knows your taste and what kind of candy you would like better than you? You do not need a significant other to Netflix and chill. I mean, unless you actually, I guess you could Netflix and chill by yourself with either meaning of what Netflix and chill is. I get that it has a double meaning, and to be honest, you could treat yourself in either of those meanings, if you get what I'm saying. But if you're actually talking about Netflix and chill, or whatever kind of service you want, if you're old school and you're old like me and you still watch DVDs, that's cool too. But basically, having one of those like night in and chill moments by yourself can be super great, because you don't have to compromise and watch something that somebody else is gonna like too. You can watch any movie you want. If you want to go as chick flicky as you want, or if you're not into chick flicks and you want to go with something edgier or anything, you don't have to wait for somebody else to be like, okay, I'm in the mood for it. No, you watch whatever you want. Personally, when I was single, my favorite Valentine's Day movie to watch was Breakfast at Tiffany's, which is kind of an annual tradition for me. Every Valentine's Day, I would pour myself a glass of wine and enjoy Breakfast at Tiffany's. It's whatever works for you. I thought a pink backdrop and a pink shirt would be really great for a Valentine's Day video, and now I feel like I'm like a floating head. I don't know if that was a good idea. But anyway, of course, other than candy, I think the most common Valentine's Day gift that people think about is flowers. Who says you can't buy yourself flowers? You can get super affordable ones at the supermarket, or you can go all out and order some and have them delivered for yourself. No reason why you can't do that. Or you could make yourself a really glam box of roses. I actually made these. I have a DIY on this. I will link the video to this one. This is basically an affordable knockoff of the really expensive like Million Roses boxes and stuff. And I did a DIY. So basically I gifted myself some fancy expensive roses on a budget. So if you don't have someone in your life to buy you a very expensive box of roses that will last a year, that's no big deal. And if you do have someone in your life that can afford to buy you a $500 box of expensive roses, hang on to them, people. All I'm saying. Who doesn't want jewelry on Valentine's Day, right? You don't have to go out and break the bank and buy the most expensive thing in the world. I actually have been obsessed with hoop earrings lately. I got these on Amazon. They were super affordable. I actually got them in both the silver and the gold. They actually are really cool because they have like rhinestones on the front and on the back, so they sparkle from like all different angles. These are from like the Amazon collection. Super affordable, and they actually came in this cute little box. Treat yourself, or just go to, you know, the mall or a store, or check out like, you know, any of your local stores that have like a jewelry section. You can usually get some really cute stuff at a really low price, and just treat yourself to something fun. It doesn't have to be expensive like real jewelry from the jewelry store. Treat yourself to something fun and special that every time you look at it, you'll be like, you know what? I treated myself with that. And lastly, Who says you have to wait to have someone special in your life to have a love note? I would say one of the most important things that you can do for yourself on Valentine's Day or any other day is grab yourself the prettiest notebook you can find, get yourself a fancy pen, minus Swarovski, because I'm sorry, I could not resist, because they match. Drugstore notebook, Swarovski pen. That is like the high-low story of my life right there. Grab a notebook, grab a pen, and just start writing down every amazing thing that you love about yourself. It does not have to rhyme. It does not have to be pretty or beautiful words or poetic or anything. It doesn't matter. I'm just saying the best thing that you can do for yourself is to just remind yourself of all the reasons why you're wonderful. All you need is something to write on and something to write with, and your own mind, and sit there and just try to come up with as many wonderful things about yourself as you can possibly think of, and I guarantee you when you're done, you will feel a million times better about yourself. And those are my ideas for treating yourself on Valentine's Day. I want to know what you do on Valentine's Day to make yourself or your loved one feel special. So let me know. I want to hear your stories in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. A while back, I was suffering from anxiety and depression, and I truly believe that beauty and makeup and glamour saved my life. And I believe it can save yours too. So if you want to join my Starlet squad, be sure you hit that subscribe button. You can follow me on all my social media channels. The links will all be in the description box below, along with links to some of these products. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you join me next time.